Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Daniel, and as always, it is a pleasure to come your way with math and science lessons on Study with Delta. Today is a beautiful day for us to continue our lessons on bearing. Today, we want to learn how to draw bearings. So, to help us to be able to achieve that objective, we have 60 degrees, 150 degrees, 218 degrees, and 300 degrees. So we're going to learn how to draw these bearings. Now the reason why we're going to learn this is because in our next lesson we'll be looking at back bearing. And to be able to effectively solve questions on the back bearing, we need this lesson. So let's quickly jump right onto it. So our first question is 60 degrees. So we want to draw 60 degrees. So let's start with our cardinal point. It's not too important. Well, this is north, this is east, this is south, this is west. Now, I personally like to do this. Let's start from 0. Then we have 90. We have 180. We have 270. Then we have 360. I normally do this with a purpose. Now, I want to look at 60 degrees. We know 60 degrees is going to be between 0 and 90. So, this is not drawn to scale, so this is not actually 60 degrees, but well, this is the best I can do for you. So 60 degrees, we always take our bearings from the north. So from here to my line is 60 degrees. So this is the first question, 60 degrees. Okay, so let's look at 150 degrees. 150 degrees. Now, 150 degrees we know is going to be between 90 and 180. So from 90, let's say, let me put 150 degrees. Now look at this. 150 degrees is going to be from our north to the side. So all this from the north to this line is 150 degrees. But for the purpose of our next lesson, we want to find what is this angle between 90 degrees and our line, which is our 150 degrees. Now, to be able to get this side of our angle, to be able to get this side, from the north to our line is 150 degrees. So if we just want this little side, we know 90 plus this little side should give us 150 degrees. If you can see that. From here to here is 90. So 90 plus a certain number should give us 150 degrees. So if I want just this number, it's 150 degrees minus 90. That would be 60 degrees. So this side is 60 degrees. So that when I add 60 degrees plus 90 degrees, it gives me 150 degrees. I hope it's well understood. Let's look at 218 degrees. So let me clean this side. 218 degrees. Now, 280 degrees is going to be between 180 and 270. So 180 and 270 degrees. So since 180, 200, 280, let's put it somewhere here. It's not drawn to scale, but my angle should make sense. So from the north up to this side should be 218 degrees. Again, just this little angle, in between my 218 and my 180. Want to know the little angle, this angle, or this side of my bearing. Just want to know this side. Now, to be able to get that, we have to understand that 218, you move 90, you move 180. So from 180, you get to the 218 angle. So if I just want this little one, I have 218 minus 180, if you can see that. So 180 plus a certain angle will give me 218. So when I subtract 180 from 218, I get 38 degrees. So this small angle is 38 degrees. So everything is 118 exact, but just the little angle I have over here is 38 degrees. Let's look at the last angle, 300 degrees. So let me clean. Alright, so my last angle, I'm looking for 300 degrees. I know 300 degrees is going to be between 270 and 360. So from, I can put it somewhere here. Okay, so let's say somewhere here. This one makes more sense. So from my north up to this side is 300 degrees. So again, if I just want this little side, I know 270 plus this angle, this small angle, because everything from here up to here is 270. So from this side up to this side is 270. So if I just want this little side, all I have to do is to subtract 300 minus 270 degrees, which gives me 30 degrees. So just this little side is 30 degrees. So that 30 plus 270 gives me the whole 300 degrees. So thank you. This is Study with Delta. Bye for now.